in the last couple of years, our electric bill was $200, and we weren't running our air conditioning, and we're getting older, and we would just like struggle through the hot summer days, and we know we have air conditioning, but we didn't want to run it because we didn't want our electric bill to be $300 or $400 or whatever it would be. So we didn't run it. I finally told my wife, I said, you know what, we got to go solar. This is ridiculous. We're sitting here struggling and sweating and not running our air conditioning, not keeping the house livable, just because we're worried about how expensive the electric bill is. So we decided to do it, and we've been very happy ever since, very happy. I talked to some people that Matt had done solar for, and they were totally happy with it, and that made me feel good. And so I went ahead and called Matt and said, let's get a solar system on this house. And Matt and I sat down and talked about it, and because I didn't run my air conditioning very much, I said, we need this system to be bigger than my bill shows, okay? Because I'm not currently running my air conditioning all the time because of cost expenses, cost. And so we sat down and we made a plan, and this system I have on my house takes care of us in the heat of the summer. It's great. It's just, and our bill is virtually nothing. As soon as we were online, the next month's bill reflected it, and it was like it wasn't like 4 months, 6 months down the road. It was as soon as we were online and up and running, and everything had been inspected, and we were up and running. It was perfect. I mean, we saw the benefits immediately from going solar, and it hasn't slowed down a bit. But I'm totally happy with what I've done here, and it's made a huge difference in our financial situation, because now we don't have to worry about that electrical. Well, the thing the reason I went with Peak Power is the crews that he sent out here were very professional. They explained to me what they were going to do. We talked about it, and then they proceeded to do the installation. And there was nobody involved in their crew was slacking off. They all had a certain job they did. They were very well informed of what they were doing, and they did it very professionally. And I was very happy with the crew and the people after service. If I have any questions or problems, there's somebody out here within 24 hours to address my issues. And that's really important to me. I mean, customer service is very important. So I'm very happy to be a customer of Peak Power and Matt. So.